Today I am going to tell you 5 best way to get rid of red itchy eye. So let's get started. Hi everyone, myself Dr. Pradnya. I am an ophthalmologist and welcome to my channel Doc Vertex. This channel is all about vision, best vision products and information about various ocular infections, allergy prevention and treatment of all these conditions. Today I am going to tell you 5 best way to get rid of red itchy eye. Redness and itching in the eye is caused due to allergic reaction in the eye. The allergic reaction in the eye occurs due to the IgE antibody reacts which get attached to the one of the white blood cell called mast cell, and when it attaches to the mast cell it releases the substance called histamine, and histamine causes all the allergic reaction. It causes vasodilatation, it dilates the blood vessels, and it causes all the allergic reactions in the eye, boggy eyelids and itching and redness in the eye. Someone has seasonal allergies, means somebody has a red itchy eye in a particular season only, and someone has a perennial allergy means they have allergy throughout the year. Now someone has allergy to the grass, someone has allergy to the pollen, someone has allergy to the dust, and during this allergic reaction many people have runny nose called allergic rhinitis along with sneezing, difficulty in breathing. So it is very important to know the allergen which causes the allergic reaction. Now how to treat this allergic reaction? The first way to treat the allergic reaction in the eye is to use the eye drops. If you don't have any eye drop in the eye, you can use the artificial tear substitute as a basic drug, as it to wash out the allergens. The allergens in the air get settle on the tear film, it get flush out with the use of tear substitute. There are list of drugs present in the market for the allergic reaction in the eye. Most of them are antihistaminic drugs which causes the constriction of the blood vessel and decreases the allergic reaction in the eye. But these drugs have a temporary reaction, and as it causes vasoconstriction, when the effect of the drug has gone, then it causes reflux vasodilatation of the blood vessels, which lead to the severe allergic reaction in the eye. Hence, along with the antihistaminic drops, you have to use a mast cell stabilizer, which do not cause reflex allergic reaction in the eye. So the first way to treat the allergic reaction in the eye is to use the antihistaminic as well as mast cell stabilizer drugs. Now the second way to get rid of the red itchy eye is to have cold compression. Cold compression reduces the reaction in the eye and have some soothing effect on the eye. In case of emergency or at a night time, you can do cold compression so that you get some relief from the allergic reaction. Now the third way to get rid of the red itchy eye is to avoid the allergens. If you have allergy towards the pollen grains or dust, please avoid exposure to the dust by using the goggles which will cover your eye completely. Now the fourth way to get rid of this red itchy eye is to take oral medication. In case of a severe reaction in eye such as upper lid and lower lid edema, redness and chemosis in the eye, you can use oral anti-allergic or antihistaminic drugs. Now the fifth way to get rid of this red itchy eye is the last step. When the allergic reaction is so severe, then you have to take steroids. Depending upon the severity of the allergic reaction, you can take local drops of steroid or oral. Hence you have to consult the ophthalmologist, and they will prescribe the topical drops or steroid orally depending upon the severity of the condition. So these are the 5 ways to get rid of the red itchy eye. If this information is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.